However, if you don't have an HDR backplug, take your Signo DX backplug and file them down until your pen's gear rings can fit on them. I recommend using a metal file because that way you'll be able to have this piece of the backplug hang over the edge, and then you'll be able to file it so that it'll be perfectly flat. And in that way you won't scratch the backplug, because you want to make sure you don't scratch the backplug because you will see it when you put it on the mod and you will see it on the outside. I will note to make sure that you file your backplug down quite a bit, because your pen's gear rings can actually get stuck on the backplug. I will say that these pen's gear rings are actually stuck to this Signo DX backplug right here that I already prepared. So make sure you guys file this down pretty well, because if you don't, it might actually get stuck somewhere here in the middle instead of going all the way down. Now file down the open end of your Signo DX backplug until the length of your Signo DX backplug is 9mm. Now take 2 of your pen's gear rings and put them on your Signo DX backplug. Now take your air blank tip and put it on your Signo DX backplug. In the end, your backplug assembly should look something like this. Now repeat this for your other Signo DX backplug.